What is going on, everyone? It's Flash back with some more charts. Another video. Today is Monday, May the 20th. Markets have closed. It's 4:20 p.m. Eastern. I mean, how good do these uranium charts look? I mean, big picture stuff. We're having a couple green days back to back. It's becoming realer. It's becoming tangible. The bull is bucking. It's just a really good feeling to kind of, I don't know, see this play out, right? And so, gonna go through as I normally do, show you guys what I'm seeing in some of these tickers. Some of them I'm just gonna skip today because there's just some notable talking points for a lot of these ones that I've starred on the right hand side. And so, just starting off with URA, the monthly looks absolutely beautiful. We can drop down onto the weekly as well. And I mean, it's green. It is very green. And if we go into this specific indicator, the distance percentage from the moving average, clear breakout on the monthly time frame. Like that's a big deal, in my opinion, to see, this chart looking this good. I actually need to refresh a little bit because my other indicators weren't loading and they may not load, and that's okay. We're going to drop into URA measured in the S&P 500. There we go. And again, ascending, some sort of ascending triangle, maybe, consolidation, breakout, retest. You want to see us get above this line. But again, clear momentum breakout line that is incoming for uranium URA versus the S&P 500. We haven't even truly gotten a true breakout in this ratio yet. And to see the amount of green candles all over these charts is just incredible with how far we really haven't even moved against the S&P 500. Similar story with URA measured in gold. Clear breakout line that we are approaching. And we want to be outperforming gold, especially if gold is in a bull market and if gold is outperforming the S&P 500. So guys, I mean, it's green. It's a green paradise right now. The bull is bucking. I don't want to sound overly overjoyed, but it does bring me joy to see this in the charts, honestly. We'll look at CCJ real quick. Again, this only has one or two touch points, this line right here, but we're going upwards momentum wise. That's clear in the charts. Bannerman, I mean, one of these guys, they're leading the way. CCJ, Bannerman, Boss, Paladin, these guys are all leading the way, leading the charge. They look really good. There's a clear uptrend line from momentum perspective that we should be aware of. But we're just breaking out versus the S&P, versus gold, continuing up, and against URA. So it just looks really, really good here with Bannerman. I'm going to go over to Paladin as well. Paladin, with this momentum, I mean, you could make an argument that this had broken out earlier, a while ago, which I was thinking that it had, but Paladin's just looking so good. Like, if this could play out, it would be incredible. And okay, so Encore. Encore, I want to pull up this because look we haven't even broken out momentum wise yet with Encore, and we're up 5% today. Similar with FSY, sideways momentum break, similar to the URA. We can drop down onto the weekly for FSY, and look at that. I mean, that's a bull flag breakout. That is like automatic, right? I mean, just so clean. The thing I love about FSY is it's such a clean chart. Downtrend, sideways base, looks like we're in an uptrend. Breakout, big consolidation above that breakout line, and then another little consolidation before this big resistance line. So it really looks really good. Denison Mines will drop into this one, see another breakout here, momentum. Looks like it's doing pretty good against these other indicators. For example, the S&P 500, we want to follow this moving average up, which it looks like we're doing. ISO Energy showing really nice strength right at support here. And we are just doing a rounded bottom right here in terms of momentum. So you love to see that. ISO looks really good. Centris. Gotta silence the phone, guys. You know I love to not do that. Okay, but Centris breaking out, approaching a breakout line. Centris against the S&P, consolidation against gold, and consolidation against URA. But man, this looks explosive. Looks very explosive. We love to see it. Big fat monthly candle right here so far for May. Elevate. Got an ascending triangle here on momentum. Watch out for Elevate, boys and girls. Laramide. Laramide, there's so much upside. You can just see, just venture up this uptrend and this bull shape. Follow the moving average. Follow it right up as support. Laramide looks terrific. Deep yellow. I wanted to show this one. This one has a momentum breakout as well. And it's breaking out against URA. That's kind of huge. Just powerful charts. Energy fuels. I made a specific video about this one, that this is going to be a huge bottom. So we could still chop around sideways down here, kind of like some of the other ones are doing, but eventually I think this is going to be a powerful move upwards. And we're putting in a bullish engulfing on the monthly time frame. Energy fuels looks great. Couple more here, guys. Western Uranium. This one I wanted to go through specifically the momentum, big breakout momentum wise. But look at this downtrend against the S&P 500, and look at this downtrend against gold and against URA. Like Western Uranium is about to pop, I think. Over the next months, quarters, and years, I think it's going to be doing very, very well given this consolidation downtrend. Likely going to be a breakout versus these other indices and commodities. So Western looks really, really good. Can Alaska already broke out. We could probably tighten this up even. But Can Alaska also looks as explosive. The price chart doesn't look as explosive to me. I don't know why. There is a clear breakout and backtest here, and maybe I should shut up. But for Western Uranium, they're similar looking charts actually. And things I think are going to get very, very explosive. Last but not least, guys, we're going to jump into the laggers a little bit. BSK. I wanted to show you guys this on BSK. Like this could be a potential bottom, just like energy fuels and BSK can get very explosive. So I'd keep an eye there. FMC, kind of a rounded bottom for momentum. And then Penn was interesting as well because we're kind of breaking out momentum wise too. But Penn, I still think, I don't know. I can't get a good read on Penn or not. But yeah, guys, it looks good. It looks good. I'm not gonna lie, but I think we gotta keep looking at the monthly time frame to have our confidence. I see a lot of content online. Everyone's trying to analyze these daily candlesticks, and that's all well and good. But this bull is gonna continue to buck. It's gonna try to buck us off, and I think if we overthink it and we zoom in too far, it can make us cloudy. So I'm gonna stay on the monthly, the weekly, the 2 weekly time frame, and that's where my analysis is gonna be for the time being. Drop me a like if you guys enjoy this. I'll catch you in the next one.